Temporary support facility is given. Yeah. Support is temporary support is not there. IOs are not applicable. System IOs is not applicable. Electrical not applicable. Instrument not applicable. This is not applicable. Okay, guys. So we are happy here. And going for next is a specific construction planning sequence. I think a sequence. You have the sequence of excavation, right? Sequence of excavation,
and there is the sequence of erection. Fencing is applicable here, I think. So yeah, there will be the sequence has to be followed.
Sequence of erection. Right. Designated location for welding, no welding. Contractor need power, yes. DG set. DG set will be used for civilian CER concerns. Fantastic. Standardization, research side, this is there? Research access?
Yeah, there's only this friend area.
Okay. Access